Innovation is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. A great case in point is the urban food truck phenomenon. 10 years ago, food trucks were just a small step up from hot dog carts. Then a few crafty chefs unlocked the dormant potential that was just lying there for the taking. They combined low overhead with the truck's mobility, and they tapped into social networking to build buzz. They felt free to be experimental, and if something wasn't working, they just scrap it and try something else. Today, they've become the epicenter of the avant-garde food movement. There are a few great lessons here for all businesses that are looking to grow and stay innovative. Use your constraints and see opportunity where others are only going to see roadblocks. Be agile and quickly adjust to what the market demands. And most importantly, don't concentrate on what you don't have. Use what you do have well, and you can build something beautiful too.